Want to start selling digital downloads for teachers in 2025? These aren't guesses. They're the exact types of products teachers are already buying online. So stick around and I'll show you how to create and sell them profitably. But first, let's talk about why teachers are a hot market in 2025. Here's a quick story. A friend of mine, her name is Sarah. She's not a teacher, but she's actually a graphic designer who stumbled into a gold mine without even realizing it. She designed a Boho Rainbow alphabet banner just for fun and uploaded it on Etsy. She completely forgot about it. Weeks later, she logged into her Etsy account and saw it had sold over 80 times. That one file, something she made in under an hour, started bringing in daily sales. That's when she realized teachers are shopping for these things all the time. You see, teachers spend hundreds every year on classroom materials. And with digital classrooms, hybrid teaching, and an endless stream of new students and lessons, they are always on lookout for materials that save time and look great. Teachers are incredibly dedicated, but incredibly busy. So if you can give them something that's done for you, editable, and engaging, you just made their day. And don't talk about homeschoolers, they're another group to target. You might be wondering what digital products teachers would want to buy. I'm glad you asked. Let's start with classroom decor. Think of it as an interior design, but for bulletin boards. Themes like jungle safari, farmhouse chic, or pastel rainbow. These are sets that include things like alphabet banners, calendar pieces, student name tags, all color coordinated and classroom ready. Teachers love to refresh their space, especially around the back to school season or mid year reset. Then there are lesson plans, templates that you can create. If you can create a planner in Canva or Google Slides that lets teachers organize their week or month, you've hit gold. But the trick is to make it editable, flexible, and visually clean. Bonus if it aligns with national standards or includes space for notes, reflection, or differentiation. Worksheets are another major one. But let's be clear, boring black and white math sheets, that won't cut it. Teachers want worksheets that are engaging and visually appealing. Think reading comprehension with colorful graphics, math games that can be printed and cut, or writing prompts with a creative twist. If you can theme them around holidays or seasons, that's even better. Halloween fractions? Valentine's Day writing prompts? Yes, please. That's what teachers want. And let's not forget behavior management tools. These are things like reward charts, clip arts, clip charts rather, or student progress trackers. Add a fun theme, make it printable and editable, and teachers will eat that baby up. And it helps them create structure in the classroom without starting from scratch. They don't have time. By now, you must be wondering, okay, how am I going to do all of this? I'm not a creative person. Well, guess what? You don't have to be. I got your back. Creative Fabrica has thousands of already done products that you can download and edit for yourself to sell it to the teachers. I have even gone a step further to create an ebook giving you 100 profitable ideas that teachers are actually searching for, how to create the product, and how to get others to sell it for you. Both links are in the description. Go check it out. You will thank me later. Now, I want to encourage you with this real demand example. I once spoke with a teacher named Mr. Thompson. Let's just call him that. He taught fourth grade. He said, look, I love teaching, but I don't have time to design behavior charts or grade books from scratch. So what did he do? He bought a bundle from Etsy for only $10 and he downloaded it on his laptop, printed it, and used it the next day in class. It cost less than my lunch, he said, and it saved me hours of planning. That's what he said. And I believe him. That's the power of these products. You're not just selling files, you're selling time, peace of mind, and professionalism. That's why teachers are more than happy to pay for something useful and ready to go. Now, where do you actually sell these products? How do you find those teachers? The big platform is Teachers Pay Teachers. That's actually a platform. It's built specifically for teachers. If your product helps a teacher, chances are someone on that website is going to search for it. Etsy is another strong platform, especially for visually driven products like decor and planners. People search there every day for classroom resources that are printable, though, and easy to use and editable. You don't need to be an Etsy pro. Just start simple. And if you want full control over your brand and your income, set up a simple shop on Payhip, Gumroad, or even Shopify. These platforms let you grow your email list, run promotions, and create a full-on brand for yourself. If you really want to stand out, here's the key. Name your products with SEO in mind, that's search engine optimization. Instead of calling it classroom tracker, try editable second grade behavior tracker for students. Think think like a teacher. What would they do if they were going to search on Google? Use great visuals. Cover images should show off what the product looks like in action. Use mock-ups. Make it pop. And one last tip, offer a freebie. It could be a one page worksheet or a simple calendar. Use it to get reviews, build your email list, or just gain some traction. So, if you enjoy design, organization, or just helping teachers thrive, this niche is waiting just for you. You don't have to be an educator. And as I mentioned before, you don't have to be very creative either. There are done for you products waiting for you on Creative Fabrica. And my email bundle can help you too. Make sure to get them from the link in the description. And that's a reminder, you're going to thank me later. And you also have to provide value, though, to the teachers and something that solves their problem. Comment your product idea below. Let me hear it if you have one, and I'll help you niche it down or polish it for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on digital income. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you don't miss the next upcoming video. It's called Make Passive Income Selling Resume Templates in 2025 and Why It Works. You'll be surprised at the answer you're going to get from that video. And if you really want to make money online with digital products, pick up my bundle in the description and go sign up for Creative Fabrica. I can't say that enough. That link is also in the description. And with these two resources, you will be armed with everything to make passive income online. Trust me, you will thank me later for this. Until next time, I will see you in the next video. Go make some money. Yeah.